All right, this is our brand new Keurig that we just got. This is the K-Select Strong Brew, 4-cup sizes. Holds 52 ounces of water, fast and fresh brewed. This is what it looks like on the box. So this color is the Oasis color. All right, so you can kind of see side by side. This is what we've had for, minimum 5 years. And again, it served us well. This one is going to be a little smaller, a little prettier, according to my wife, certainly. And I think so, probably so. All right, so included in the box with the new Keurig, of course, is a little carbon filter. We just placed it in a little cup of water here right now. We're going to let it sit for about 5 minutes. By the way, if you don't have your coffee maker near your hose from your kitchen sink like that, that's a big time saver right there, guys. So the filter is in here and the water is filled up. And we have a nice fresh coffee maker here, the nice Oasis color here. We should be good to go for quite a while here in our new look here. 6, 8, 10, and 12 ounces for your cup selection here. This is apparently a dark button here. Haven't tried that yet, but anyway, we should be all set. All right, guys, the next morning I'm ready for my first cup of coffee in our new Keurig coffee maker, Oasis colored coffee maker here. Got my cup ready to go. Gonna get my favorite chosen morning treat of coffee here. And I'm gonna select the larger cup size. This is 6, 8, 10, 12 ounces. It's immediately brewing. No pause there. So it pretty much almost instantly brews the coffee. No pause or, not a lot of noises. You can smell that coffee smelling good. Okay, there it is, our first cup of coffee from our brand new Oasis colored Keurig coffee maker.